there are quite a few females. What is the percentage roughly?
35.
35%. Something this institution must have done for you.
I've gone to places where there's a ratio is 40-60. I was very, very happy things are coming up.
Number of women who get into them are about 10 to 12%.
Only, eh?
Only.
IITs were just 10%?
12%. And then everybody goes around saying that men are intrinsically more intelligent. Stupid.
Absolutely.
Men have laid the rules for donkeys years. And then now it's
God, what a thing you have said. What a thing you have said. Absolutely. Don't you think there should be a way out?
I see so many girls. And what is the percentage we have here? Almost 8 over. So many mechanical engineers. And I see a lot of females. I'm really impressed with this great job. If you can induce females into mechanical engineering, you have done something great.
One half of our workforce in India is being underutilized. While we may have made progress in industrialization and improving the quality of human resources, women power has been grossly underutilized.
क्या कर रहे हो?
सर कंट्रोल पैनल जो रहता है CNC का,
अभी CNC का एक साथ चिप लाइनिंग वेल्डिंग वगैरह मजबूती की जरूरत है, लेकिन वो तब होगा जब आप लोग पहले वेल्डिंग सीख जाएं। आपको सब दिखाया जाएगा, आपको सब सिखाया जाएगा, लेकिन आप लोग शौक पैदा करें।
Safety is the most important thing, especially in our type of industry, where you can get hurt. Safety तो सबसे important है। अपने को जख्म थोड़ी उठाना है कोई भी, है ना? तो उसको तो हमको पहले ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा कि क्या है और सब सीख लो कि कैसा कैसा है। सबसे आगे हेल्थ है। हेल्थ के आगे कोई चीज ही नहीं। अभी इस उम्र में मैं वेल्डिंग कर सकता हूँ और मजबूती रहेगी, जिंदगी भर जवान रहोगे। अगर जवान है मतलब दिमाग भी जवान है तो कभी भी हमेशा सीखते रहो। और जितना मजा सीखने में है और कोई चीज में नहीं, ठीक है ना? आप लोग इधर सीखते हो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
A case in point is that of Haresh Sippy, who, after the demise of her husband, took up the labor contract awarded to him.
मैं मिसेस वर्षा कल्पेश शिंपी और 2018 में मेरे हस्बैंड का निधन हुआ। टीमा इंडिया के हरीश सिप्पी और मैनेजमेंट ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया।
This was a brave effort that upturned the long-established male dominance in handling labor, the highly skilled male workforce for fabrication of critical engineering equipment used by oil refineries the world over. TEMA takes pride in having encouraged and supported Varsha in this tradition-breaking endeavor.
Given the fact that India is a labor-rich economy, there is a lot of opportunity present to train the Indian youth in the vocational skills. Because not only they give the education to the Indian youth, but the skills are employable.
She is the one.
Yeah, she is the one.
Wow.
She is the student of the year.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Got all
I have the honor of giving the gift to you.
got all emotional.
हमेशा अलर्ट रहना है दुनिया में। ऊपर वाले ने हम लोग को इधर भेजा है, हर एक अपनी दिल की करो, लेकिन अलर्ट होना चाहिए। It is a balancing act of the mind and the heart. You have to balance it. Then only you can do wonders. अगर हम साथ हैं तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। बस अगर हम लोग ने साथ में मिलकर दिमाग लगा दिया तो फिर तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, बहुत आगे जाएंगे। कोई ऐसा मुल्क होगा नहीं पूरी दुनिया में। हमारा शाइनिंग एग्जाम्पल हो।
It's really great that I got an opportunity to work here.
I feel good actually. Design is totally new for me and all staff are very supportive.
It is good to work here, supporting environment.
Let me tell you, apart from what we're celebrating, I really feel bad that women are not considered equal in our society. When I say society, it doesn't mean us. We people are different. And I know for my example that I know is my dear wife, my mother who is 93 and still she is totally on her own. My wife is the reason that I am here today. I was not half as clever as I am today, or if I am clever at all. But it is only owing, everything is owing to my wife. She has empowered me. There's no two ways about it. Thank you.